Okay, so it's just about to chuck it down. I'm actually starting to have fun.
Well, it looks like I'm here on my own.
Okay, it's just starting to rain. This is the start of day 4. It's just starting to rain, so I need to find some shelter. I think I might come in under these trees. Okay, so it's just about to chuck it down. This is, as I said, the morning of day 4, and I didn't really get a good night's sleep. Packed up early, and I had breakfast at the post office. I didn't take any photos. The weather here is just about to turn pretty ratchet, so I might push on. I'm heading for the Dandalup Hut tonight, which is about 35 or 36 kilometres. Anywho's, I better push on. Okay, this is me pushing my way out of the Serpentine River valley. I just bumped into a runner who lives in Jarrahdale and another cyclist who's come from Albany, who told me the surface would improve, but it was still hard. I might just stop in this little bit of shadow. So that's where the Munda Biddi comes down. I just cut out a bit by coming down Scarp Road, which is sort of behind me here. And now I'm back on the Munda Biddi again. So just came down the main road just to cut out a lot of the wet, rough stuff. So this is on the way to Dandalup Hut. This is the Munda Biddi. I'm back on the Munda Biddi. And there's wildflowers starting to appear again. Can't see them on this though. Much better. Sort of. Well, today is definitely made up for the last 3 days. There's been some really lovely double track. I'm actually starting to have fun. The weather's great. Yesterday it got up to 32 degrees. It was way too hot. I had a rain shower just before. I had to push the bike up a big hill. Now I'm on some nice flowy little single track, and I'm really beginning to enjoy this. If it can be like this the rest of the way, I'll be happy. I think I've discovered I don't like single track mountain bike, and the first 3 days there was a lot of it, and it really got to me. Where I am here, you can see it's just gentle track, really. I'll take you over. You can see the sort of track that it is. There's my bike, and that's where I've come from. So yeah, really just perfect. Perfect riding, the sort of riding I really love. And today I'm sort of treating it as a half day. I'm going to go have lunch down by the dam and then make my way up to the hut, get there early, settle in, make another cup of tea this afternoon, get my bed set up, try and have a good night's sleep. Anyhow, I'll just have a bit more of a rest and a stretch, and probably have another video when we get to the dam. So this is just some nice single track. It's nice and flowy, no switchbacks, no tight bends, no invisible bends, no steeps. There's rocks, but they're manageable. This is how I envisaged the Munda Biddi was going to be. So I'm having pretty much, thank goodness, a day that's redeemed itself and myself. Then you come around a corner and you get this. So just walking this rocky, probably about a 2 to 3% uphill grade. So look, it's a mixed bag. It's a mixed bag. You got to take what it throws at you. The first 2 or 3 days were absolute nightmare. Absolute nightmare. I'm really hoping I'm coming out of that now. I can ride this. Yeah. So hopefully, coming out of that really bad patch. Well, I've made it to North Dandalup Dam, and I'm going to have some lunch here and a rest. There's a toilet block, there's water. Wow, oh my, I made it! Wow, this is one of the, God, there's some rain over there. Lucky I'm not going too far. I'm just going to go up here. Ooh, it's windy. There we go. This is one of the landmarks. But don't lose my hat. Oh, it's windy. Don't want to lose my hat. And this is North Dandalup Dam. Not much else to do today, so we'll just go to have lunch down here, hey? Oh yeah. I just came down that big steep bit, and I'm glad I did, because looky what we got here. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is really pretty. Glad I came down here, have some lunch. So I've just come down to this picnic area. I'm not allowed to swim, but there's a wee beach here. This is lovely. Very, very nice. So I'll just lean the bike up against here and we'll stop and have some lunch. So we've just come to the turn off to the Dandalup Hut, which is night 4. There we go. Dandalup, down this way here. The time is about 2:45. So perfect, really. Now, do I ride this? That's the question. I'm tired. I'll give it a go. Take it easy. The view from up here is stunning. So I'm just going along the path here. Hut will be down here somewhere. But we're way high up. It's beautiful. So here we are at the Dandalup Hut. Interesting to see if I'm the first person here or if there's other people here, because I am quite early, about 2:45. Looks like it's got a great view, and I think I'm the first person here. That's pretty cool. Which means I can pick where I want to be. Yep, no one else here. Dandalup Hut. Oh God, it's a beast. Here we are. Wind's coming from that way. I'm thinking in that corner there. What we'll do is we'll put that there, there, and we'll dibs the spot right here. I think, yep, there. I've dibs this spot. I'm going to give it a bit of a sweep, and then I'll make myself a nice cup of chai. There's a little path here just beside the hut, which I think goes up to a view. Don't know how far it goes. Oh, black thing. Don't know what that is. There's the hut.
Well, it looks like I'm here on my own. What's the time now? It's after 6 o'clock. It's a bit of a weird, I don't know whether I feel comfortable or not. I'm a bit ambivalent about it. I think I should be okay. Nothing I can do about it, really. Just going to have to suck it up. I'm getting everything tidied up so I can make a quick getaway in the morning, getting up at 5. I've discovered that that's the best way to make the best of the day. And particularly if there's no one here, it's not going to really matter that I'm thumping around making a bit of noise. So I'll just make sure I've got everything ready for breakfast, so I can get packed up in 2 hours and be out of here by 7 o'clock. That's the plan. Tonight's dinner, whole grain noodles and wild caught tuna with tomato and onion. Yum. Tomorrow I'll be in Dandalup, so I'm going to splash out if it's available and get myself a self-contained cabin or a chalet and have a nice shower. I haven't had a shower in about 4 days, but I've been doing body washes. So yeah, looks like it's little solo me tonight. I think I'll sleep well because I had a terrible sleep last night. So the plan is tomorrow to get up early, make a good start, walk the single track because I don't like it, but keep it positive in my mind. The double track's coming soon, and that's what I do love. And also the gravel roads, looking forward to that. So don't moan and bitch like I have been doing the last few days, not that you would have noticed, and make the most of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and adventure. Right, I'll have to think about dinner.